Hi guys, let's start today's topic some logical functions assignment. Before it, I would like to add I have added all the videos related to the DEX in the DEX playlist and you can learn step by step without missing anything. So these were videos are the combination of the previous video in Power BI, data model and Power BI tutorial and Power BI DEX. So if you missed that videos, watch it first to understand that concept clearly. Let's come on this topic today. In this video, we are solving a real Power BI assignment using the logical functions like if, nested if, and switch. Exactly how you will face the interviews and the project. So come on the screen, please. Let's suppose you're working somewhere or interview ask you the questions. The question is what? So some team, DS team on a customer segment analysis and come back us with a few request. Request is what? So they want to add a new column in customer table. Listen, the customer table, right? And identify the priority customer segment and customer basis on the income level and group some of the education categories, right? Let's come on the some objective what we are want to do in this, right? So first we need to prepare a customer priority basis on the income, and income votes which income is greater than 1 lakhs would be the pride customer of us, otherwise all customer would be the standard. Some another uh, a column would be like income level is on these four categories: very high, high, average, and lower, right? So let's come on the second thing. One more column we need to create on. What is that column is like bonus education category. So we need to switch function. What is switch functions? We need to create a education category like high school, undergrad, or the graduate. So let's join Power BI. I'll open it and we'll create the column, right? So what column we need to create? First we'll just open the customer lookup. In the customer lookup, search the uh, table from here. Customer lookup is this, right? So add a new column. Click here on the top and give the name of that particular column. So this column is headed in the head. We just put the name of that column. What is the name of the column? Let's suppose its name I'll give customer priority, right? This customer priority is the column and give the if condition. What condition we need? I need the condition like if they are the parents, like customer lookup like parents. Let's search the column. It might be 9. This is the column. Tab is equal to yes. So one filter is this. Double ampersand. One need more condition. Customer lookup. Then we required annual income. Annual income this. Tab. What is this? Greater than or 1 lakhs. Comma. If both conditions are not filled or filled, if the both conditions are true, then what will happen? We'll give the priority. Priority, right? Spelling will correct. Priority, right? Comma. If suppose this condition are true, so what will happen? I will give the another thing, another words, that is standard. Standard, right? close your condition, hit the enter. When you hit the enter, a column will create it in the last, and it will drop down, it will give the priority or the standard. So one condition is a fill as they required. Let's do it the second one. Second one was income level. So let's create income level in the customer lookup. Here in this, select the column, select the table. Table from where? In the view, table view. Select the customer lookup table. Go there in the add column. Give the name. What name we need to give? The income level. Right? So let's give the condition. First condition, if condition, enter. What condition? Let's give the condition customer lookup. Customer lookup is what? Basis on the annual income. Condition is greater than is equal to 15,000,000 means 1.5 lakhs. Would be the very high, as we discussed in our assignment. Comma, hit enter. Put the another condition, if condition, customer annual income greater than is equal to, now give the second condition. Second condition is 1 lakhs. 3 to 1 lakhs, right? Comma, put the high. All right, hit enter, give the another condition. What is that? That is customer lookup annual income is greater than is equal to 5,000, sorry, 50,000, 50,000 are average. All conditions are fulfilled. If suppose that three conditions are not met, then we'll give the low, comma, low, let's close the bracket, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. First bracket closed, second closed, third closed. All brackets are closed like this. You should also write your decks in that way, with where I'm doing it. See, the first condition this, second condition this, third condition is this is closed here, this is closed here, this is closed here. So if you write the decks in this manner, your decks will be visual and you can understand what you written in that code, in the dex code. Okay, now hit the enter. Let's see what happened. Okay, one more column created in the end. If it will drop down, it will give the three categories we have given. Okay, let's add one more column in the lookup table, that is the education category. So again, go there in the new column, and this time I'll give the name education category, education category, right? Hit the enter. So that time in the key, we have already mentioned in the key objective we need to require this switch in that. So let's try to do this switch option here, is equal to switch, right? We put the switch and give the customer lookup education's level. So where the education level is, that I hit the comma and put the condition like the high school. If the high school is there, so what high school, if there's a high school, they put the high school only, right? Com clause, comma, hit enter. Second was the parental high school. If that is okay, condition meet, then put the high school, right? hit comma, enter. If suppose the another thing is bachelor, it would be the undergrad, undergrad, comma, then inverted comma close. Then let's suppose is a parental college. Then what will give? Let's give the undergrad. Oh, suddenly accidentally I put the hit. I need more condition in this. Okay, fine. I'll comma, then shift enter. What more thing we required? Let's suppose there is a graduate. Degree. Then what will happen? We'll give the graduate, right? And shift enter, that close, hit enter. Let's see what happened. See, in the last, one more column is created, and there was, see, blank is what? Where is this educated column? Might be in the first. Let's search it and see what happened. It should not be 0. Oh, that is spelling mistake. See, GRADUATE, DEG, that is a mistake. Okay, we'll just correct it. Degree, enter. See what happened. So you need to see any spelling also. If spelling is a mistake, the formula would not work. What happened? Some might be some issue in the anyway. There's some issue in our table. Let's see. I'll click on the education category under graduates, enter. All right, got it. There's a problem is filter. See, because that thing has moved, so there's nothing in the filter. See, all in the. I'll do one thing. Put the graduate. See what is there in the graduate degree. What is that? Income high, management degree. Where is the customer level? We need to search the education level. So search the education level here and see what is there. Education's level. Where is the education level located? This one. See. All right. Let's put it at the end so that we can do that thing. Let's move all the filter, select all, put there, pop it, and go there in the end. Education level, select it, copy it. Let's move. We're not able to move it. Anyway, we'll do that. And leave the text column, color, format. All right. So in the graduation, let's try to do the high school. In high school, we did the two things. High school, okay. Go there in your education's level, check it. See the parental high school and the high school. We have given two options there. Like this, we have the undergrad. What is there? I'll put in the filter. Oh, we'll give the spelling mistake the differently. So we'll do one thing. We'll put the spelling similar under C. Is it A? Is it I? Right? So there what are the spelling there. Now if I hit enter, so you need to correct if you did anything, you need to correct like this. There's a one and put the that thing education status. Where is that education status? This one. See, so that we have did that assignment and check in the end if I did any mistake, I corrected, and you can also do that correction if you did anything after doing your assignment or your questions or your answer. You have not recheck one more time. See, that is the solution we did. Actually, we created one more column, customer priority in the customer lookup with that condition in the if condition. Second thing, what did we did the income level, this three condition, and the education category on this education's uh, level to, and we use the switch option over there, right? So that thing we did. See you in the next video and a lecture. Stay tuned.